Hi, my name is Sachit. Welcome back to my channel The Marine Guide. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to apply for NCV TAR book. So this video is going to be quite important for those guys who just now have successfully completed their Part A assessment and now ready to join the next vessel. So for those guys it is quite important to apply for the TAR book and carry your TAR book along with you while joining the next vessel and fill it up while on board so that you can book your orals. So in this video I will explain in detail how to apply for the TAR book. Before I start the video, let me request you, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please be kind enough to subscribe it. Let me come back to the video. So if you want to apply for the TAR book, you simply have to go to the IMEI website, because I believe you must have done your NCV class 4 preparatory course from IMEI itself. So you know the website, which is imara.in. So as soon as you open the website, this is the home page. There are a lot of tabs on top. You can see home, about, administration, members. Just go to the students corner and go to TAR book registration. As soon as you click on TAR book registration, on top you will see that it is mentioned that it is FG and ETO TAR book registration procedure. But if you scroll down and go all the way to the bottom, you can see here register here. You just have to click on register here. So if you have done your NCV class 4 preparatory course from here, so most of the details are already filled up. So you can see the name, date of birth, endorsed passport, your CDC and date of issue, and passport date and CDC date of issue and place. All these details are already given. So basically personal details and document details are already given there. So you have to fill up the academic details. So in academic details, the first thing and one more important thing, so all those columns, those spaces which is with red asterisks, you must have to fill it. So you can see training course grade, this is with the red asterisk, so you must fill it. So you just scroll down, go all the way to the bottom again, and you select passing out certificate, anyone, and training institute name you already know, IMEI, and training institute address, so you already know it is an Nerul. So you have to fill complete detail, not just one place or city name or random place. You have to provide complete detail. You can get this information, the detail, from their website again. So IMEI Nerul you already know. Here we have to provide the joining date of the course. So basically they are conducting 2 courses in a year. So if you have started your course from the 1st January, you mention 1st January. Like in my case, I joined in July, so I'll mention that date. Course completion date, so my course was completed 31st of October, so I'll mention that date. Pre-C TAR book, I think most of you don't remember the pre-C TAR book number, so just put down any random number, that is okay. And the third one is contact details. So in contact details you just have to provide your home address, and you can provide the PIN code as well, because this is with the red asterisks, so you must enter the PIN code, and then mobile number. So there's one more mobile number, alternate mobile number also asking, and here they are asking for the WhatsApp number as well. Since it is not with the red asterisks, it is not mandatory to fill. Next is email, again with red asterisks, you must provide it. Alternate contact number, So you can provide your alternate working contact number, and scroll down. So you can see here in upload document, the option A is FG, GME, DME, BE, BTech. So first thing, it is not with the red asterisk, so it is not mandatory. Second, ETU certificate, we are not ETU, so no need to mention, no need to upload. Here next C is NCV passing out certificate. So you must have received your passing certificate. Here they are talking about the assessment certificate which you received after passing out assessment, that is part A. So you need to upload here. And the next one is the option 6, choose TAR book to be purchased. So which TAR book do you want? So you can select, you want TAR book for NCV. So I'll select NCV. Similarly, those guys who are looking for FG TAR book, select TAR book FG. For ETUs, you select ETU. So in my case, since I have done my NCV class 4, so I'll select NCV. And collection, how do you want to get your TAR book? You personally want to go there to, you personally want to go to IMEI and collect by yourself, or you want it by courier. So if you want it by courier, you have to select by courier, and then you have to wait for at least 3 to 4 days, and then it will be sent by courier to the address mentioned here. And if you want to collect by yourself, then select personally, and this is the charge which you have to pay online. The TAR book charge is 600 rupees. Select the checkbox, I accept term and condition, and save and pay. So as soon as you click on save and pay, it will redirect you to the next page. So why it is not redirecting me to next page right now? Because I did not upload my certificate here. Once you do all the things correctly, this will redirect you to next page where you will make the payment. And along with that, while going to collect your TAR book, I'll recommend, please carry your passing out certificate and take a printout of the payment, the fee you paying, and also carry out a certificate which you received after passing out your preparatory course. So these are the three documents you must carry along with you while going to collect your TAR book. So this is all in this video. Once again, if you have any query, any question, comment box is always open for you. Just drop your comment, drop your query, and I'll try my level best to answer you. And while wrapping it up, I'll request you again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe it.